Hi, and welcome to the Florida Family LawCast. My name is Amber Kornreich, coming from Miami, Florida. Today's featured guest is Tiffany Mody. Tiffany is an associate at Birnbaum, Lippman, and Grigor. She practices exclusively marital and family law, and prior to joining the firm, she pursued a Master's of Law, LLM, achieving a degree specialization in international business and an MBA at American University Washington College of Law in Washington, D.C. She's a leader in the family law section, serving on multiple committees, including the CLE committee, rules and forms, and equitable distribution committees. One of her passions is helping families and children through life's difficult situations. She gives back to her community by participating in numerous charitable organizations benefiting children, veterans, and the disabled, and animals. Most recently, she was voted onto the advisory board of Horses Healing Hearts, a charitable organization that provides equine-assisted therapy in response to the impact of substance abuse and trauma on children and families. Mrs. Mody is an avid Florida Gator fan. She enjoys the beach and nature, and she loves to play poker, especially playing for charity. Thank you so much, Tiffany, for being here today.
All right, Amber, thank you so much.
So, Tiffany, when and where is the Money Maze CLE?
So the Money Maze CLE is at the Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort in Sandestin, Florida, up in the Panhandle, and it's going to be on March 27th. It's going to be an all-day seminar, and we've got a fabulous lineup of speakers, board certified specialists. We have financial professionals, and we're really going to focus on the financial aspects in a divorce case.
So, why should lawyers attend the CLE, and are tickets still available?
They are still available. If for some reason you're not available to come in person, we are going to be doing a live webcast as well. It's going to be a great presentation. We talk about good fortune child support, something that's not talked about a whole lot, but it's really relevant, especially down here in South Florida. We have professionalism, and those CLEs are sometimes hard to get. We're also going to have technology credits and how to use AI in your practice. AI is evolving tremendously, and it's really becoming an essential part of the legal field. And if I've heard lots of people say, if you don't get on the AI bandwagon, you're gonna be left behind. And so it's really important to learn the do's and the don'ts, because AI can be a very valuable tool, but it can also get you in a lot of trouble if you don't use it the right way. So we're going to talk about how to use it the right way and make it a tool that's beneficial to you and help you to maximize your efficiency in your practice while still maintaining and operating within the ethical rules of the Florida bar. We're also going to talk about business valuations and utilizing financial experts, and it's really going to be an awesome CLE to help people really advance their practice. And if they've already got an advanced practice, to remind them of the tools that are available so that we can make the best presentations that we can in court.
Wow, that is really fascinating topics. So, shifting gear a bit, in addition to practicing family law, you're known for having a unique interest in community service, charity for children, veterans, the disabled, and also animals. So, can you tell us a little bit? I mean, what is equine assisted therapy and who can it benefit?
So, equine assisted therapy can benefit a lot of different people. The organization that I work with down here, they use horses and horseback riding and training with horses to assist in therapy for children who are victims of their parents' substance abuse. Many times the children are left behind, or they're put with a family member, typically a grandparent, but can be other family members. They have a lot of emotional issues that they don't know how to deal with. And so the horse kind of they connect with the horse, they connect with the therapist, and they really use that to be able to express themselves and to get through some of the traumas that they've been through. When I was in law school, I worked with an equine-assisted therapy program that really helped autistic children. We had nonverbal children who were getting up on the horse and they were communicating with the horse because they felt comfortable and they felt safe. These are 1,200-pound animals that can be an absolute blessing on a child's soul. We had veterans who were suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder that when they were on that horse, they felt at peace, and they used that peace to learn what they could do in their everyday life that they get from the barn or from the horse, and how to incorporate those feelings and those mechanisms into their everyday life to make their lives better.
That's so powerful, Tiffany. Thank you so much for what you do, what you're doing for the children, and also for giving back to the family law section. So, if you were giving some advice, what advice do you have for lawyers who want to become more involved in the family law section or who want to become leaders themselves?
Get involved. If you don't know how to get involved, ask somebody who is involved. When I first got involved, I reached out to a friend of mine who was very involved in the family law section. And I said, how do I get involved? He said, go to a meeting. Go to a meeting. Figure out which committee you like and which committee that will give you the most satisfaction that you can contribute to, and just get involved. And if your name's not on the register, pester them until they put you on. But just get involved, take the initiative, and ask what it's about. Go to CLEs, go to the committee meetings that we have. We have them 3 times a year in person. And sometimes you can't always get to them, but when you can, go. And then once you get your foot in the door and you connect with people who are involved, it takes your connections from outside your local community and gives you connections throughout the state. And which is, it can be a real blessing. And it's
That's
rewarding.
great.
It's rewarding to give back to the legal community and try to make the practice of family law better.
Thank you again, Tiffany. It was great speaking with you today.
Thank you, Amber.